The real estate appraisal process helps determine the current value of a property. It's important because it can affect how much money you can borrow, how much insurance you'll need, and the price you'll likely receive when you decide to sell your property. First, an appraiser will visit the property to evaluate its condition, features, and location. They'll measure the living and total square footage, and square footage is a big factor when it comes to value, so it's very important that you list the property correctly on the front end with the correct measurement. The appraiser will then take a few pictures of the property's condition to attach to the report. Then, the appraiser will go back to their office and research recent sales of similar properties in that same area to determine the current market value of the property. The appraiser will then use this information to create a report that includes an estimate of the property's value, as well as details about how that estimate was reached. This report is usually shared with the property owner and any other interested parties like lenders or buyers. If the appraised value is at or above the contract price, everything will roll smoothly towards closing. But if the appraised value is below the contract price, there's going to be 5 options for you to consider. First, the seller can reduce the contract price to the appraised value and the deal can move forward. Second, the buyer can come up with funds to make up the difference between the contract price and the appraised value. Third, you could actually do a mixture of these two, with the seller coming down on the price and the buyer coming up with some cash to meet in the middle and solve the problem. Fourth, the seller or listing agent can present comparable sales to the appraiser to refute the appraisal and ask for a reconsideration of value based on the information presented. If the appraiser changes the appraised value to meet the contract price, you can move forward. And lastly, if none of these things can solve the problem, the contract can be canceled by the buyer. There are timelines built around this, so be sure to check out lines 101 to 108 of the Louisiana Purchase Agreement to see what it says and what you agreed to on the front end. The appraisal process is important because it helps ensure that the price of a property is both fair and accurate. This protects buyers and sellers from either overpaying or undervaluing a property. So if you're looking to buy or sell a property, getting a professional appraisal can help you make more informed decisions and get the most value for your money. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and follow along for more great content like this.